Okay, so what people say is direct speech. I like the door. I like the car. I like the pen. I have a hat. I like. I have. I have. But reported speech is saying what others have said. What did he say? What did he say? He said that he likes the hat. He said that he likes the door. He said that he has a car. He has a nice car. He said so. So we are reporting on what someone has said, like in the news, like a news anchor. They said this. He said that he will do this. They said that they will do that. Whereas direct speech is what you say yourself. I am teaching a lesson. He said he is teaching a lesson. I am writing on the board. He said he is writing on the board. So, we have subject, said, that, always consistent, that, subject, past participle, a past tense version of a word, and sentence. So we could say, he said that he likes. We have like and likes. Likes being past tense. He likes apples. He said that he likes apples. Yeah, likes apples. I like apples. He said that he likes apples. And the subject could be anything. She, they, them, not necessarily them said, no. She, they said that, they said that he, because we're reporting, they said that he said he likes apples. They said that her, or said that she likes cars. It could be anyone. It could be that, he said that she does not like him. She said that he, for example, she said that he is going, or I could say went, even let's have went to the office. Went to the office. Or we could even have he said that she went to the office. It said that they like cars, for example. They likes. We won't have they likes, it's like, because we've already got the plural here. They like cars. He likes apples. There's always a plural there. Depending on if it's singular. Depending on the subject here is singular or plural, like they. Or likes. So he likes apples in general. But there's only one office. He's going to the office, not going to the officers. Well, it depends which office you're talking about. So yes, we are using different subjects, and we're reporting what they said about someone else, about something else. We could even have the car, the phone, notification, boop, the phone said it was time to go. The phone said that you rang me. Anything. The city, the council, the neighbour. The neighbour said that you went to the office. The doctor said that she went to the office. They said that the doctor went to the office. Yeah. We are reporting on what someone has said. He said this, she said that, he said that, they said this, it said this, and beyond. But again, the direct speech is someone saying it. I like, she likes, he likes, we like, and beyond. Okay. Let's keep going.